How to turn on pop-up notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on pop-up notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find this three lines in the top corner, and now click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then scroll down until you find pop-up notification, then just click on it one click, and as you see, pop-up notification have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.